Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to search for items online using Google Lens on Blackview A80s. Firstly, go into the photos. Now, firstly you need to take a picture of the thing that I would like to search for online or a screenshot, but I already took one, so I'll just go straight into Google Photos. Then just tap on Lens here, and it's going to show you results online, and I think they are pretty accurate. And if that's all, if I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.